The Oppo F29 Pro, announced in March 2025, is a feature-rich smartphone designed for durability and performance. It boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1200 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, it offers robust performance suitable for multitasking and gaming. The device comes with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. Its dual camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, while a 16-megapixel front camera caters to selfies. A standout feature is its 6000 mAh battery, supporting 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, which can charge up to 45% in just 20 minutes. The F29 Pro is built to withstand harsh conditions, featuring IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, and a 360 degrees armor body for enhanced durability. It runs on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, providing a modern and user-friendly interface.